Hello friends, welcome back to Spaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting evening tea time snack recipe from the Mangalore or Udupi cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make restaurant like Goli Bajje or Mangalore Bajji at home. To prepare this recipe, the ingredients which we would require would be 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup of sour curd, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, few curry leaf finely chopped, 1 to 2 green chilli finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coconut, few freshly chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Next, take a mixing bowl and into that add the all-purpose flour, rice flour, finely chopped ginger, curry leaves, coconut, coriander leaves, curd, and mix everything well. Now add the water and mix everything well once again. While mixing, make sure there are no lumps formed in it, and also the batter should be thick and not too flowy. Now allow this to rest for minimum 2 hours before further use. After resting for 2 to 3 hours, right before deep frying, add salt, sugar, baking soda and asafoetida powder into the batter. Now give this a good mix. Next, to deep fry, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Take a small portion of the batter in your hand and push it into the oil with the help of your thumb. Repeat the same process for the rest of the batter as well and deep fry your Goli Bajji in medium flame until they turn golden brown. Now your delicious Goli Bajji is ready. This can be had as such or even along with some coconut chutney. Transfer this into a serving dish and enjoy your tea time snack. We can see that our Goli Bajji is wonderfully cooked. It is crisp on the outside and soft and well cooked on the inside. So do try this evening snack recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.